In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly manage your finances by entering new expenses or deposits into your financial tracking tool. We will walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring you feel confident and organized in keeping your financial records up to date. We'll begin by navigating to the New section of your tool. This is an important first step as it sets the foundation for recording your financial activity accurately. In this section, you have the option to select either expense or deposit, depending on the transaction you need to record. Let's start by examining how to enter a new expense. When you select expense, you must enter vital details about your transaction. This includes the date of the expense, which ensures that your records reflect accurate timelines. Next, include the category of the expense, such as groceries, utilities, or entertainment, to help you track your spending and identify areas where you might want to adjust your budget. Remember, categorization is key for effective budgeting. Then, add a description. This is your opportunity to note any specific information that might be useful in the future, like the name of the store or a reason for an unusually high expense. The amount spent is another crucial piece of information to enter accurately. Ensuring accuracy at this step guarantees that your financial overview remains correct, preventing future discrepancies that could lead to financial mismanagement or confusion. Now, let's save these details. Saving locks in your entered information, ensuring your record is updated in the system. Once saved, it's a good idea to quickly review the entry for mistakes. This only takes a moment and enhances your record-keeping precision. Now let's move on to recording a deposit. The process here mirrors entering an expense with a few variations. Start by choosing Deposit from the New section. Input the date to reflect when the deposit occurred. As consistency is crucial, take your time ensuring this detail matches your bank or financial records. Select the appropriate category for your deposit. Whether it's salary, refund, or a gift, this categorization helps maintain clarity in your financial tracking. Inputting a description for your deposit, just like with expenses, serves to provide context. Maybe note if it was a special bonus or a regular paycheck, as this context can be incredibly helpful when looking back at your finances. Once you input the deposit amount, undertake a final review of all details. This ensures everything aligns with your financial statements or expectations. After confirming, save this information to finalize the entry. This saving step is pivotal for maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your financial records, providing you peace of mind that all entries are secure and correct. This process of entering either expenses or deposits helps keep your financial life organized, making future budgeting and financial review much more straightforward. I hope this guide has empowered you to efficiently manage your entries. Practice this process regularly to remain active and aware of your financial standing. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on effective financial management.